Hi guys, this video is for tomorrow, Tuesday, January 15th, 2019, and I just wanted to talk about the agenda for the day. As you should know, the end of the second quarter is this Thursday. You do not have school Friday or Monday, so you need to make sure that all your late work is turned in. As I was checking through the journals, I noticed that a lot of people did not have the journal, did not have it finished. So I'm going to give you a little bit of extra time just to make sure you're caught up. So here is the journal. And all it was what are you reading for your independent reading book? Because you need to be reading something on your own at all times. All of the directions are here. So ask yourself, and again, this is blocked by the school filter. So I'm going to delete that. And that article is about how 10 ways reading can save your life. So I will post that article somewhere else so you could read it if you would like. So ask yourself, did I complete journal 9? If the answer is no, follow all of these directions here and complete them. Okay, I will be able to go into your class notes in your Microsoft 365 notebook and check your journal. Now over here, if you did complete your journal or you think you've completed your journal, that's great. However, please go back and check. As I was reading through them, I noticed a lot of people only had one paragraph or a few sentences. That does not cut it. If you're not sure what to write, look at some of these questions up here to help elaborate on your book. Did you include who the author was? Who would you recommend the book to? Why would you recommend the book, or why would you not recommend the book to certain people? Readers are always thinking, what am I going to read next? I have a stack of books that I physically have for when I finish my book. This is what I'm going to read. And sometimes I actually do read more than one book at a time. I know not everybody likes to do that. That's fine, but you should have some sort of idea of what you want to read. So go back. When we did the book talks, you should have a someday list in your folder. And call out to Elena, actually, who composed a list of all of our someday books that people had on that list if you want to check that out. Also, we have the new books from Donors Choose. Some of these will be available for checkout. Some of them you can look at in the back of the room. The next thing you are going to do is the poetry terms quiz pretest. The actual quiz will be online on Microsoft Forms on Thursday. This pretest is just for you to practice. I also will give you a paper copy if you would like to complete it and then take it home as a study guide. Some of these terms you will need to study. They should be a review from last year. However, on the test, there could either be an example or the definition, so you need to know both. After going over these terms, we can review them. We can go over examples again. Then you need to find an independent poem. I have many, many examples for you to pick from. And then you are going to use the big six that we used yesterday for the group activity to analyze a poem on your own. We will review this, practice this, because the next step we're going to do is comparing, are you ready for it? 2 poems. Okay, we will compare 2 poems. I don't know if we will get to 3. I just don't know if we are going to get there. So these directions will be pushed into your Microsoft 365 class notebook, and I will also tell you in class, but the pre-tests can be done either online or on paper. You will have both to pick from. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.